stand together when it seems all hope is gone, when people's lives are shattered and they've lost the will to go on. We reach out to the helpless, and with each passing day we help them to rebuild their lives. This is the Red Cross way.
Talofa lava, my name is Tala Malaki and I am the principal here at Vaiala Beach School. As you can see from the background, we are continuing our job of giving out learning packs because the schools are closed due to the dengue fever outbreak, but we're also donating blood today. Why are we donating blood? Because we know that that's a huge need in our hospitals and we want to give back and we want to help our community and our island. Like the Ministry of Health said, there is 71% of cases are children under 15, and as teachers we feel responsible to help out and come in and just do whatever we can. Like, we're helping out with education, but we also want to help our little ones that are suffering in the hospitals. So if you're at home, do this, lead by our example and come in. Give blood and save lives, Samoa.
Samoa, give blood, save lives.
Give blood, save lives.
And together, long after a storm has gone, when the world no longer watches, we do what must be done with selfless kindred spirits.
Talofa everyone, I'm Nico from the Philippines, and today I just donated my blood for the people here in Samoa, especially during this time that people are experiencing a dengue outbreak. It really feels cool and nice to donate and help Samoa in a little way like this. So if you can also donate, please do. Donate blood, save lives.
I'm donating blood to help with the dengue fever outbreak. It's the least I can do to help somebody else who is in hospital. So donate blood and save lives.
Waiulo toto, whakawina soifua.